What's good guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Mr. Guy TV and welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen with Filmora X. It's kind of like Filmora 9 and did I actually do a video on that? Alright guys, so the OG members of the channel are probably wondering, Tingai, why are you doing this? You already did this. First it's Filmora X and second of all it's a better version. And I didn't explain it very detailed. So without any further ado, I already did the intro. Alright, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is install Filmora 9. Once Filmora is installed, if you don't know how to get Filmora 9, Filmora 10! Gosh, Filmora 10 or Filmora X. Just go to the website. The link will be in the description box down below. Once you've gotten Filmora, you want to download it and do all of those things. So you should see this window. Once you guys see this window, go to More, then go to Screen Recorder. Click Screen Recorder, and this should open up. Now in Screen Recorder you would see this. So the first basic options are the screen. So you can do custom and be like, oh, I only wanted to record this part, or let's just do full screen for now. Next I can turn on my microphone or turn it off. Let's turn it on because I need to record a video. Next is the system audio. Now, if you're using a Mac, this is not built in with a Mac, but something Filmora X did, which I'm really proud of, is once you click this, it will show you something. You put in the password, it downloads something, and once it's downloaded, you'll be able to get system audio on Filmora 9. I tested it and it actually works. Let me show you. If I just go to YouTube Studio and go to audio library and play some music when the system audio is on, you will see the system audio levels going up and down. Okay. Let's stop guys. Alright. Okay. Now since we've done that, we can look at the other settings. So the other settings down here, if you open the drop down menu, you have save to blah blah blah. I'm going to blur that out because it's a private place. No, I don't need to. The frame rate, you can choose a frame rate. My videos are 30 fps, and then the quality, of course, I choose high. Next, you can add a record timer. So what that means is if you record a video, like for example you put 2 minutes, it will help with 2-minute tutorials. If I record the video and it's longer than 2 minutes, it will stop recording. Next we have the show mouse clicks. What it does is every time you click somewhere, choose like a blue or red or yellow or green circle around it. And finally the last one is play mouse click sound. What is play mouse click sound is when you click somewhere here, you know the clicking sound? Yeah. And then start and stop recording hotkey. That also works. And then finally the record camera. So now right now it's set to OBS virtual camera. If I change this, it's minicam, but I move that out. And if I change it to face if I change it to FaceTime HD camera built in, it will show it there. So hi guys. Alright. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the whole entire video. If you've learned something new, please like and subscribe and share my video. That would help out a ton. And guys, I don't know what to say. All I can say is thank you for all the support, and I'll see you guys next time. Keep filming. No. Keep editing. Peace.